Hello everyone. Today we gonna study Anglo-Saxon period. We all know that to understand any literary device, we need to understand the literary age, the circumstances of that writer, his personal life, everything. There are some inner thing in any literary device. So understand a literary device fully, we need to understand everything. However, the Anglo-Saxon period lasted from 450 to 1066. The early Anglo-Saxon period includes the creation of an English nation. That means it has a vast role in the creating of English nation. The Anglo-Saxon term used to any Germanic people who gonna come from German to settle in England. There were some cultural group in German. We all know that German has a vast or huge good culture influence. These Germanic people influence in the language of English on that period. There were main kingdoms. There were four main kingdoms in Anglo-Saxon England. They are East Anglia, Mercia, Northumbria, Wessex. Those Germanic people of that time, they settled in these areas and then they built their own culture, their own group. There are some characteristics in Anglo-Saxon poetry. We will find their heroic poetical element. That means we will go through a story of a hero with his adventurous deeds, with his high ambitions, like that things. There will be some certainly Christian morals there. Anecdote is there. That means some small thing will represent for the whole things. There are metonymy, irony, these types of things are there present. In this, the characters of Anglo-Saxon poetry. We all know about heroic poem, that is Beowulf is the most heroic poem of that age. Now we will shift to what is Old English. Old English is the language spoken and written by the Germanic inhabitants of England. I am told you that they have come from German and settled in England. So their language was a mixture of English and Germanic language, and that language is called Old English language. There are only two types of Old English poetry. One is heroic poetry and one is Christian variety. In heroic poetry, we will get the heroic theme, that means adventurous. And in Christian variety, we will get some morals from Old Testament and some New Testament as well. Hope you will like this video. Thank you.